Everyone, meet Bixby. It's a new intelligent interface that reimagines the mobile user experience. Bixby understands context. It knows what's happening on your screen, which allows you to seamlessly move between voice and touch. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say my friend Cindy is meeting me for lunch and I have to tell her my location. All I have to do is open up Maps, press the convenient Bixby button on the side of the phone and say, capture this and send to Cindy. Bixby understands when I say capture this. That's context awareness. Now let's say I have multiple Cindys in my phone. Well, Bixby's smart enough to know when it needs more information. And it will let me choose which one I mean. Then I can finish up with touch by selecting the right person, typing in the message, and sending it off. The whole time I move seamlessly between voice and touch. With Bixby, we've built intelligence into the camera, so it understands what we're seeing. And thanks to our partners, you can search for images, learn about landmarks, shop online, and even translate languages. Now, whenever I come back to New York, I love looking for new restaurants to eat at. So this past weekend, I was roaming around some old neighborhoods, and I came across the Flatiron Building. I pulled out my camera, and Bixby recognized it, but it also gave me some great options for dining nearby. Let's take another example, shopping, online shopping. If you see something you want to buy, just point the camera at it, and Bixby will find it from one of our partners. With voice and vision, Bixby helps you get things done in an easy, intuitive way. But Bixby also learns and adapts to your routine to anticipate what you need. When you swipe to the right on the home screen, Bixby takes you to a contextual, personalized page that shows you the information you use from the apps you'd use in one convenient place. You'll see a series of cards for native apps like email and gallery, and third-party apps like Facebook and Uber. And Bixby will organize these cards based on where you are and what time it is. In the morning, you might see news and weather. And at night, your alarm and step count. And the more you use it, the more it learns. So let's say I take Uber most days to work in the morning. Bixby will start placing the Uber cart at the very top of the stack. Bixby will support native apps and third-party apps like Google Play Music. Just think, for example, you might be able to play any song from Google's catalog using just your voice, or access your music library with a swipe to the right, or even set a reminder for when a new album drops. Now let's talk about some other ways that Samsung helps you in your life. Samsung has been committed to the Internet of Things from the very beginning. And the promise of IoT is that a connected ecosystem of devices work better together. Now, even with all of these smart connected devices, sometimes even basic connectivity can be a problem. And that's why we're introducing Samsung Connect Home. It's a premium router and IoT hub in one. It provides mesh-based Wi-Fi to boost your connectivity at home. And it lets you control Samsung and SmartThings appliances to enhance your IoT options. As you can see, we've reimagined not just how you interact with your phone, but with an entire ecosystem of smart devices, turning your phone into a universal remote for your life. Bixby delivers intelligence in a practical, meaningful way. Connect brings a powerful ecosystem to life with a single app. And our vision is to bring intelligence and IoT together to make your life easier and better.